Good morning everyone. My name is Reha Latji Raul, Standard 3. My school name is ZP Full Primary School, Shishinge number 1. Today I am going to you tell about Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was one greatest freedom fighter of India. He was born on 2 October 1904 at Mughal Sarai in Uttar Pradesh. His father's name was Sharad Prasad and mother's name was Ramdulari Devi. He was given the slogan of Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. He served as the second Prime Minister of India. He was died on 11 January 1960 in Deccan, Uzbekistan. Every year is anniversary is celebrated as Lal Bahadur Shastri Smriti Divas. Thank you.